Not to be dramatic, but I want to die. The reason I said I want to die is because I don't know what I want to wear. Happy Valentine's Day! Me and Dad are going to go for a meal tonight. I've been ready all day, but I am a greasy, oily mess, so I'm literally having to powder my entire makeup again. I even used the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray, and even that wasn't enough to work its magic. In all fairness, it used to work, and then I stopped doing my skincare and ended up sleeping in my makeup, and now my skin has gone to shit. But yeah, Dan and I are going to go to Wagamama's tonight. We've never tried Wagamama's. We was going to go, I think it was Chow Baby in Meadowhall, and then we'd seen there were a Wagamama's and they did like ramen, pork belly, teriyaki seasoning. Oh my god, there's something with me and teriyaki seasoning. When me and Jess went to Australasia in Manchester, they had teriyaki rump. And then if you haven't tried teriyaki salmon, take a shot every time I say teriyaki, because you need to try it. If you've never tried it, your taste buds are missing out. I'm having a dilemma because I don't know what to wear. Said every girl ever. And I have to set off in 7 minutes. We have 7 minutes till we need to leave. Which is fine because my hair and makeup's done, but not my outfit, and I know I'm going to hate what I'm going to wear. I'm really sorry if you can hear like my entire family in the background, because apparently whenever I film a video, my entire family has to be in the background. My outfit of choice was going to be some black cargos. I was going to wear some black leggings underneath as well because it's really cold outside, and that's a hack if you didn't know. Layer up. Some black cargos with this little halter neck style top and then mesh sleeves from I Saw It First, and then I wanted to add some colour and it not be too fancy, so I decided to pair this little bag from I Saw It First. Will I like the outfit? That's another question for a different day. I'm going to put the outfit on now because I've literally got a whole 5 minutes before I need to leave, be in the car and be on the motorway, so I'll see you soon. Okay, so I think this is the outfit of choice. I'm not entirely sure about it myself, but Dan says it looks nice. Why am I so handsy? The stress in my voice because I'm rushing is unreal. So black cargos are from Runway, shoes are pink Jordans, halter neck top is from I Saw It First, and then I'm also going to shove on this pink little bag from I Saw It First as well, just to match with the Jordans. I feel like it's a nice street style type of vibe. Whoever made cargos, I'm in love with you. And then I think I'm just going to throw on this leather jacket just because it is raining cats and dogs outside. This one is from H&M. And then perfume of choice, as always, is Gucci Floral Gardenia. I literally bathe myself in perfume. She's stressed, she's ready, let's go. We've left Ivy at Dan's mum and dad's. I think she wants Gary's dinner. Every single time I get my camera out, there's a car that pulls up next to me. And okay. I get shy. It's also raining outside and I don't want to get out. I don't think it's raining anymore actually. That might just be me being very melodramatic.
It's spitting slightly.
I didn't know there were a Miller and Carter here.
Yeah, it's new, fairly new.
Do you think I'm going to get laughed at from my camera now? If they do, then smile because you're on camera. This worries me that Sam's iPhone wants to share a photo with me. Oh my god, where's it gone?
There's a little bit of one.
Oh my god, that's so nice. Oh my god. They're actually unreal. Oh my god, that egg. It's very squidgy. It's like a pancake. Oh my god. I don't want to leave. What, gyozas? Is that what they are? Oh, these ones are dope.
Okay, she's gone.
My yolk's gone. Get it in you, gal. Gal, get it in you. Go on, gal. I think Dan and me have eaten enough to feed a small village. How are you feeling?
Full.
You look like you need a nap. And after tea nap.
Time for a sleep. Well, I just ruined your life.
It has ruined my life. That was awful. I just tried kimchi and it tastes like spicy, salty farts. So if anyone's thinking of trying it, then don't. That's ruined every flavour that I had in my mouth before. Spat it straight back out. Are you eating that?
Oh no.
Go on. Get it down here. There we go. There you go, that's me, guy. So this is going to be so random. It's the next day after me and Dan went on our little date night. I completely forgot to finish the vlog, but I've just come out to do a weekly shop because I'm apparently an adult now. And like, no matter where I go, everyone seems to compliment me on my nails and it's the nicest thing. The little old woman in the shop then that served me, she was like, oh my god, do you have love hearts on your nails? And then we were like comparing each other's nails, like complimenting each other, and it was the cutest little thing in the world. But yeah, I've literally just gone and done a weekly shop. Like I said before, I've turned into an adult now. I've had 2 days off work and I've really enjoyed it so far. But yeah, I just thought I'd tell everyone.
It's expected in 3 days.
God. I just thought I'd tell everyone about the woman. Please be quiet. I'm looking at my hair and I use my Olaplex purple shampoo. So I've been using this shampoo from Bondi Boost. Oh my god, chef's kiss. I'm going to leave a link to it down below where you can shop for it. My hair has never felt so clean before. But I use my purple shampoo afterwards, like once a week I want to say, just so that my blonde pieces pop a bit. And I left it on for like 15 minutes and I like a nice icy clean blonde. So I'm kind of contemplating like actually getting more blonde put through my hair. But then again, I quite like how much brown's through it. I don't want to go too far because way before I started my YouTube channel, I went full blonde, which is very drastic from this right here. So obviously I don't want to get too much done, do you know what I mean, and then be like, hate it. I'm also thinking about saving up for hair extensions, and I'm also going to book myself in for a facial soon, so there might be a cheeky little glow up video. Oh my god, the other day I looked in the mirror and I was like, should I get my lip fillers dissolved? And then I got a memory from Snapchat from before I had lip filler and I was like, no, I don't want to get my lip fillers dissolved at all. So yeah, there might be a cheeky little glow up video. I love doing those videos. They are my favourite thing in the world to do. You just feel so much better and put together after them. My bank account doesn't, but I do, and that's the only thing that matters. Anyway, yeah, I think I'm going to end this vlog here just because I've literally been sat rambling for a total of 4 minutes and it was supposed to be a date night vlog. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this short little video. Definitely recommend WAGAMAMA. I kept calling it WAGAMAMAs. So if anyone clocked that, which I'm sure you did, I'm really sorry. But yeah, I definitely recommend it. I also recommend the gyozas. I think me and Dan ordered like 4 portions of them. We was just like, the waiter came back and he was like, do you want a drink? And we were like, no, but we'll have some gyozas. And I think we ordered like 4 portions of them. The duck ones, oh my god, I love pork, but the duck ones were like way better. Anyways, if you did like this video, as always, make sure you smash it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below for more, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.